Good morning, students. Uh, we will continue our functions. Today's our topic is date function. In that, first is now function. Now function return the current date in the format YYMMDD, and it will display time also in the form of HHMMSS. For example, select now and semicolon. It will display date and time both. Next function is date. It returns the date value. Okay, whatever we specify in the date function as an argument. For example, date, you can write the date in the form of year, month and date. It display as it is date. Means this is a user defined date. Next is month. It return an integer corresponding to the month specified. Example, with the help of current date, month and current date. So current date will display the current date. So I want to display only month. So month function return the month from the current date. Month name, it returns the name of the month on specified date. Example, month name, and you can write current date in the parenthesis. It will display the current month like April. You can see. Next is year. It return an integer corresponding to the year specified from the date. You can apply select year, current date, year. It will display the year from the current date. The next is day function. Students, day function return an integer value which represent a day of month from 1 to 31 of a specified date. So day, current date, it will display 21. So it will display the day of month. Next is day name. The same, we can display the day name also with the help of day name function. So day name display the current day name, like today is Tuesday. Current date, display current date in the form of year, month, date. Day of year. See, day of year, it return the day of year for date in range 1 to 366. So today's date is 112 in this year. It will display 112 only. Current time, it will display current time in the form of HHMMSS. The example, select CUR time, current time, and you can see the output. Next is math function. The math function is related to your mathematical operation. The first is power function. It return the value of x raised to the power y. Example, select power, I return 3, 4. You know that 3 to the power 4 is 81. It will display 81. Next is round function. It return the value after round the argument x to d decimal places. We can write example, round, I select round 2.567, 1. So it will round up after one digit only after the decimal point. You can see the output 2.6. The next is select round 2.567. No, number of decimal places round up is not given. So this number is round up. The round up value is 3. Mode. It returns the remainder of m divided by n. There are different syntax. So there are 3 different syntax we can use. Select a mode. Come to the example, select a mode 5, 2. So here 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. So the answer will be 1. Instead of this, you can write this type of also, select 5 modulus 2. Again it return 1 only. The third way to write mode function, select 5 mode 2. Again it will display 1. So these are the different ways to write mode function. Come to the next, ABS. ABS means absolute. It return always positive value from the numeric expression. Like example, select ABS 10 minus 20. The answer will be minus 10, but due to the ABS function, it will display only the positive 10. You can write select ABS minus 4, it will display 4 only. If you write select ABS 4, it will display 4 only. Means this function always return positive value. Next is SQRT. It return the square root of the value n. Example, select SQRT 100, it will display 10. select sqrt16, it display only 4. Ceiling function, you know that ceiling means our terrace, छत. तो ये फंक्शन हमारी वैल्यू को अपर साइड में राउंड अप करता है. लाइक सिलेक्ट सीलिंग and I return 2.5634, so this in round up this value will be 3. It will display only the 3. Floor, that is a floor downside, so this will round up our value into the downside. Like select floor 1.72, the answer will be 1. Now come to the next multiple row function.